3 weeks for this one. 3 weeks and finally got her to retrieve a pheasant. Honey, come. No, no. Good girl. Leave it. Leave it. Good girl. No. Leave it. Sit. Honey, come. Sit. That's a good girl. Okay. Let's do it again. You guys ready? Boom! Boom! Get the bird. Where's the bird? Come on, girl. Find the bird. Where's the bird? Where's the bird, honey? Come on. Where's the bird? Get the bird. Where's the bird? Get the bird. Where's the bird? Where's the bird? Where's the bird? Come on, girl. Where is it? Where is it? Find it. That's it. Good girl. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. Got her. Come with us. Hey. Well, kind of got close.